Welcome to this week's Family Health Minute. This week's Minute looks at ways to disinfect your iPhone and other devices in the world of COVID-19. With the heightened concern about the COVID-19 outbreak, Apple is now giving the thumbs up to using disinfectant wipes, Clorox Disinfecting Wipes, and similar products with 70% isopropyl alcohol on iPhones and other devices. What to know about cleaning your iPhone and other devices. Use a 70% isopropyl alcohol wipe or Clorox Disinfecting Wipe. Gently wipe the hard, non-porous surfaces of your product, such as the display, keyboard, or other exterior surfaces. Do not use aerosol sprays, bleaches, or anything abrasive. Avoid getting moisture in any openings. Do not submerge your Apple product in any cleaning agent. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, still believe it may be possible to get COVID-19 by touching an object with the virus on it and then touching your mouth, nose, or eye, and recommends using cleaning spray or wipes to clean and disinfect frequently touched objects to help prevent the spread of coronavirus and other illnesses. Remember, your best source for everything health is your chiropractor. Make chiropractic a regular health habit for the whole family to ensure your spines and nervous systems are working the best they can. And that is this week's Family Health Minute.